In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete tab groups in Google Chrome. This is a quick and easy process. All you have to do is to follow these instructions step by step. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So as you can see at the top left, this is a tab group, which is G1. That's the name of this group tab. Now, if you want to go ahead, delete all the tab groups in Google Chrome, all you have to do is to click on these three buttons, which is the menu. Now go ahead, click on this tab groups or hover over it. Now hover over this G1, which is the tab group that you named. You can unpin it and you can delete it and you can go ahead and move it to a new window. And if you want to create a new tab group, just click on the first option. Now to delete this tab group, click on the fourth option, which is delete group. Now this message will pop up for you, basically saying this will permanently delete group. Just click on it and it will permanently delete this tab group that you chose. As you can see, the G1 has been removed and now you can go ahead, close all the tabs you want. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.